Welcome to English Quizler, where we make learning English fun and exciting. Are you ready for the Choose the Correct Homophone Quiz Challenge? Test your knowledge with 30 quick-fire questions and see if you're a true word master. Before starting, please subscribe to our channel for more exciting quizzes. Can you choose the correct homophone? The correct answer is B. Let's see if you can find the right word. Yes, the answer is C. Choose the correct homophones to complete the sentence. Well done. Correct word is A. Pick the right homophone. That's right, it's B. What's the correct word here? The answer is A. Can you get this one right? C is the correct answer. Let's test your homophone skills. The correct word is B. Which word fits best? It's A. Find the right homophone. The answer is C. Think carefully and choose the right word. Yes, the correct answer is B. Can you complete the sentence correctly? The answer is A. Make your choice. Which one is correct? You got it. The answer is C. Pick the right homophone for this one. It's B. What do you think? Choose wisely. The answer is A. Let's see if you can get this one right. The answer is C. Test your knowledge and choose the right word. The correct answer is B. Select the best homophone for the sentence. The answer is A. Do you know the right word? Let's find out. The answer is C. Take a guess. What's the right homophone? Well done. It's B. Try this one. Can you pick the right word? Yes, the correct answer is A. Get ready. Choose the best homophone. The answer is C. Spot the correct word in the sentence. Great job! The answer is B. Challenge yourself. Which one is right? The correct answer is A. Are you sure about your choice? Let's check. The answer is C. Here's another one. Pick the correct word. The answer is B. Keep going. Choose the correct homophone. The correct answer is A. Don't overthink. Just pick the right one. The answer is C. Almost there. Pick the correct homophone. The answer is B. Spot the correct word in the sentence. The answer is A. Last one. Make your choice wisely. Correct. The answer is C. Time's up. How did you do? Did you smash all 30 questions, or did a few trip you up? Drop your score in the comments and let us know. And if you enjoyed this quiz, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a challenge from English Quizler. Fun quizzes, better English. See you in the next video. Happy quizzing!